So everyone on that awesome camping trip has an iPhone except Phil. Phil, how the f do I get full quality photos to everybody, including Phil? Now this is new in the latest phone software, so update your phone. You can get a iCloud link now to the photos that you choose that will be full quality photos, including the ability to roll back any edits that you've done, like crops or color corrections or things like that, so that everybody with any phone can enjoy. So you just go into Photos, and then go to the beginning of the trip, the beginning of the photos you want to share. And first you need to choose the photos that you're going to share. So you tap Select in the top right, and you can individually tap on photos, of course, to choose those. Or you can tap Select for the groupings. Or hot tip, if you swipe your finger to the right and then downwards and keep holding, you can scroll and select a whole lot of photos really quickly. And then you just hit the little share square in the bottom left. And then you tap on Options in the top middle. And then just turn on all photos data. This will share the full quality photos, and say Done in the top right. And then you just go down to Copy iCloud Link. Now this relies on pretty fast Wi-Fi or cellular data, so you want to make sure that you're back in town with good Wi-Fi when you do this. And then you just go into your group thread and you tap in the little text box as though you're going to send a message. And you can just paste that link for the full quality photos for all to enjoy. Now AirDrop is a great option for sharing photos when it's just iPhones. I made a video about that. I'll put the link now. But this iCloud link option is great for mixed phone groups. If your name is Phil and you have an Android and you want some help getting a Google Photos link to share your full quality photos, I'm sure it's possible to do that. I just have no idea how. Boom, Mac Epiphany. If you found this helpful and you want some private Mac coaching with me or someone from my team, just head to macandhome.com/booking. We work with people all over the world. We'll help you with whatever is on your Mac problems list, and you will never feel judged or shamed for whatever mess you're in. That's better. I think it's a little nicer to poor Phil. I like Phil, but I wish he would switch to an iPhone.